How much more acidic is HCl with a pH of 2 compared to a dilute HCl solution with a pH of 6? So let's just review the pH scale here for a second. Recall that the middle 7 is neutral, so neither acidic nor basic. And as you move down the pH scale, you get more and more acidic or stronger and stronger acid. And as you move up the pH scale, you get less acidic and then more and more basic. And so the question then is, well, how much more acidic or how much more basic, the question could have asked, is one pH compared to another? What you need to remember about the pH scale is that it's a logarithmic scale. And what that means is each time you move 1 on the scale, you're actually increasing your acidity or your basicness by a factor of 10. And there's other scales like this, like the Richter scale, which means an earthquake of magnitude 8 is 10 times more powerful than a earthquake of magnitude 7, and so on and so forth. So if we start with 6 here, and we move down to 5, 5 would be 10 times more acidic than something with a pH of 6. When we move from 5 to 4, that's another 10 times more acidic. 4 to 3, 10 times more acidic. And then 3 to 2, 10 times more acidic. So if we move 4 places on the pH scale, which is what moving from 6 to 2 is, we're actually multiplying 10 by 10 by 10 by 10. And that makes something with a pH of 2 10,000 times more acidic than something with a pH of 6. And I'm going to give you a quick way to be able to calculate these things. Note how many zeros are in 10,000. 4 zeros. Also note, if you take the pH of 6 minus 2, you get a value of 4. So if you take their pHs and subtract the smaller one from the bigger one, the number you get is the number of zeros you need to put in after the 1 in order to get how much more acidic or basic something is. So for example, if I wanted to know, well, how much more acidic is something with a pH of 5 compared with something with a pH of 11, we could say then, all right, 11 minus 5 equals 6, and so that must be 1,000,000 times more acidic, so a 1 with 6 zeros after it.